Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March the 24th, 2020. I hope you are doing well. I loved some of the comments and things I saw on Facebook yesterday. I want to give a shout out to Henry, Aiden, and Dakota. They all snapped a picture of the poem or story that they wrote yesterday and put it up on Facebook for us all to see. So I loved reading those. And if you haven't had a chance to check those out. Go to the Facebook page and look at those. Those are pretty cool. Also, with the math activity yesterday, I liked what I saw you guys posting there as well. Yesterday, I called home and spoke to about half of my class. Today, I will call home and speak to the rest of you guys. So if you didn't get a call from me yesterday, you will be hearing from me today. Um, and I think that's about it for kind of updates on stuff. But I wanted to ask you a question this morning, kind of a question of the day. Last Thursday was the first day of spring, so we're now into a new season. And I wanted to know, what is your favorite season and why? So I will post a question here on Facebook, and if you could today, please log in and tell me, what is your favorite season and why? So remember, we have 4 seasons of the year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. My favorite season is the fall. I think you guys, I probably told you that during the fall, but I love the fall. I like Thanksgiving, Halloween, all the things that happen in the fall, and just the beautiful leaves turning colors and falling to the ground. All of those things, and the cool, crisp air. All those things make me love fall. So fall is my favorite season. So I would love to hear, what's your favorite season. You guys take care. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.